Hey bestie, it's so nice to be back. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new, my name is Erica and it's so nice to meet you. Thank you so much for joining this video today. So today's video, as you can see from the title, is actually going to be a get ready with me. I'm going to do a little bit of catching up, letting you guys know where I've been, and then also like the literal main point of this video is just that this is a get ready with me for like a date night, for a girls night, if you don't have a man's or a woman's or a non-binary, someone who doesn't define by a man or a woman. So yeah, let me just say all that just in case there's anybody here who's not here for me and they're here for the makeup, which I understand, girl, I understand. I'm not your average Jaclyn Hill over here. I am like the next bad bitch. I have all the tips, okay? So if you want to stick around for some makeup tips, then definitely do that. Maybe I'll make you laugh. Yeah. So I'm literally going to start priming my eyes because we're just going to jump into this look. So if you haven't already, sorry, I'm trying to make sure it's close enough. I look really, okay. If you haven't already like wet your beauty sponge, or if you haven't grabbed a water, mine is all the way over there. It's way too far to reach. If you haven't done what you need to do, then now is your chance. Go do what you need to do and be back. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my other eye and I will be back in a second. Hey guys, so my camera stopped working. The card ran out of memory or whatever. So yeah, I was in the middle of saying that we're gonna go to the drive-ins. I'm probably just not gonna wear makeup to the drive-ins. And I'm probably going to, sorry, I'm just looking for my brush and stuff. I'm probably going to literally wear sweats and be comfy and stuff like that. But this is a really cute look if you want to feel your best. This is what I do when I want to feel my best, you know? For a little date or a picnic or a dinner or whatever the heck you guys are doing, okay? So the eyeliner that I use is the Glisten Cosmetics liner, and they are activated by water, so that's what I'm doing right now. I have like a little cup of water and I'm just making sure I have enough, and I put it into the little cap here of the liner, and then I make sure my brush is wet before I go into the liner. It's kind of like watercolor maybe, I don't know. I really like it. It's a great liner. This is what it looks like. I got the split ones and they are extremely affordable. I would recommend. And for my favorites video, I'm basically using all my favorites in this video, so if you want to know how to use them, then this is the video to come to. Okay, so I normally do my liner like this, right? Where your liner should face the end of your brow, so like that, right? But lately I've been doing it more sideways like this, so that's what I'm gonna do today. Inspired by Olivia Rodrigo's album cover. I need to mix it more with this. See, it's getting a little weird because I don't have enough on my hand, and I did swatch it on my hand. I mean, just oopsie. See, I'm really messing that up. It's okay though. Okay, here we go. That is her. I definitely need to change into shorts because I'm already sweating. Why am I wearing sweats? I don't freaking know, you guys. Actually, give me a second. I'm gonna do the other liner off camera. Okay, so the liner's not perfect, but that's okay. I'm literally not going on a date today. And even if I was, I probably wouldn't care either way. You know, we're not a perfectionist every single day, but we try. So next up in this look, I'm gonna go in with like a teensy tiny amount of Mood Point mixed with Told You. I'm just gonna like start to shade extra where my blending is gonna be, like right here. So yeah, this is the look that I've literally been rocking all summer. So like really, you can call this look whatever you want. You can call this date night, you can call this everyday makeup, you can call this summer makeup, you can call this girls night makeup. The list goes on. All I know is this is makeup to feel your best. Maybe that should be the title of this video. But you know what? I gotta get my clickbait, okay, girl? So, next I'm going on with You're Not My Real Dad. And the key to this look is literally covering your black liner in brown. I took this selfie of me in this makeup, and it is like one of my favorite selfies of all time. Oopsie, see that? It's okay. So yeah, I was just inspired. I was like, I need to show you guys this look. It's nothing crazy. I'm sure you could be able to think of this yourself, but you know, sometimes we need inspiration, and that's okay. I should probably keep looking at that photo. And let me also say, for that look, I was using the Dose of Colors little black cherry palette, and I don't know where the hell it went. I have no freaking clue. I'm just gonna do my best to recreate the look. If it's not perfect, I'm pretty sure no one cares. So what have you guys been up to? Me waiting for you to respond in the comments. I've been watching some new shows. If you need some new shows to watch, girl, yeah, I've watched a lot of new movies too. I've just been like watching it up, dude. When my family was in town, I watched 12 scary movies. 12 scary movies, you guys. That was insane. Oh my god, and I'm sweating again. I need to turn on the AC for a second. Okay guys, so now that we have this is like basically the look. Let me just go in. I do this other part. So I want to map out this shape of my eye. I want to make sure that the colors are like right here. I want to make sure the crease color is right here, and that it's jetting out towards my temple in a cat kind of eye shape, you know. I want it to all just flow. And then Hey guys, so I'm back. Once again, I got cut off. This is where I put my concealer. I always, like, even if I don't do all this in the middle here, I always do, like, if I'm doing concealer, I put it underneath, and then I put it right here. I stopped doing the triangle thing. There's just a lot of different concealer techniques at this point, and just use what I think flatters my face the best. And now I'm going in with my trusty Maybelline brow gel. It's in soft brown. And yeah, I just use this to make sure my brows stay in place and all combed. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and blend out this concealer. I really wouldn't wear foundation with this look, just because I feel like I'm going for something a little more natural, and like hopefully my freckles can kind of peek through, but with all this concealer, I mean, I probably shouldn't have put this much. But yeah, the point is for my freckles and my natural beauty to just peek through a little bit. And I'm also going to go in with fake freckles again because they did kind of get lost in the mix. My freckles at least. Ugh, those pimples are driving me insane, you guys. They've been there for a while and I just did not want to film with a big pimple on my face. It was just like an excuse, kind of like, well, it's still there, so I don't know. I've just been like trying to practice self-care too. It's harder, it's easier said than done for sure, but it's really important. And yeah, if you guys want to see my self-care video, that is up. It's the last video I posted. My long-awaited self-care video. Okay, so now I'm going in with, sorry, I didn't say any of the things. So first I put on the Enchant Rare Beauty. Next I put on the Rare Beauty Concealer in 140C. Next I'm going in with the Joy Blush. So let me go ahead and finish this up and I will be right back. Hey guys, so I did my rhinestones and everything I said I would do. Wow, this is a little too high for me, actually. Let me move this down. Okay, I'm ready now. I also totally forgot to say today, the candle of the day was eucalyptus mint. So yeah, I did everything that I wanted to. Now I'm just gonna do my lips and we're gonna be done with this video. This is the Buxom Dolly lip liner. Yeah, I feel like I had something else to say, but I really can't recall it right now. So yeah, this is the Sugar SPF from Fresh. And last but not least is my favorite, Miss Lunar Beauty, Celine. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand because it's probably gonna come off soon. Probably gonna go eat something anyways. But yeah, this gloss is everything, you guys. Okay, so that's the end of this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that it was helpful, and I hope that you do the same look. If you do, please tag me in it. Please send it to me, DM me, girl. I also, in case you're wondering, I did get my hair re-dyed. That was actually the beginning of June or something. It was a long time ago. I don't even remember at this point because I haven't seen you guys in so long and I really missed you guys. I do want to say, like, even though there's like these beauty gurus out here who are like slowly making their way over to lifestyle, I just want you to know that I still love makeup, no matter if like I just wanted to say, like, because I didn't even wear makeup that much really while I was gone. I wore it like a few times, but that doesn't mean I don't love makeup the same amount. I still love it so much, and I just love the community that I've made through makeup. So I know you guys like makeup too, so don't worry about that. I still got you with the get ready with me's, okay? So yeah, I just wanted to say that, and please make sure to follow my Instagram, my TikTok if you want to see some sneak peeks for future looks. And make sure you're subscribed to my channel, push the bell so you can know exactly when I upload, and make sure to like this video if you did, because then I will make another one. I feel like Alexis from Schitt's Creek. Yeah, I literally feel like I had something else to say and I'm blanking, so we're just gonna end it here, guys. Yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.